Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ives here. Hope you're all doing okay. This is an easy piano tutorial of the song Driver's License by Olivia Rodrigo using only the right hand but still sounds great. This is intended for beginners, of course, that would love to accompany themselves singing this beautiful song. Please subscribe if you're new and click the like button if you like this video and find this tutorial helpful. Alright, let's start. This is the middle C and we need to learn 3 chords for the verse. B flat, B flat, D, F. But I'm playing the F an octave lower right here. F, B flat, D. G minor, G, B flat, D. And then followed by E flat, G, B flat, D. B flat, G minor, E flat. I got my driver's license last week, just like we always talked about. Cause you were so excited for me to finally drive up to your house. Alright? B flat. I got my driver's license last week, just like we always talked. G minor. Cause you were so excited for me to finally drive up to your E flat. But today I drove through the suburbs crying cause you weren't a B flat. So either you're gonna play it like this, very simple, or like this. You just have to choose which one. Which one is easier for you. Alright, so I'm just gonna play it like this. I got my driver's license last week, just like we always talked about. G minor. So excited for me to finally drive up to your E flat. Day I drove through the suburbs crying cause you weren't B flat. And do the same thing, the same chords. And you're probably with that blonde girl, B flat, and then she's so much older than me. You're probably with that blonde girl, B flat, who always made me doubt. And then G minor, she's so much older than me. She's everything I'm insecure about. Yeah, today, E flat, I drove through the suburbs because how could I ever love someone else? B flat. Okay, here comes the chorus. And I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way for no one. Alright, that's E flat and B flat. And I know E flat, I said, not B flat. First is E flat, G, B flat, E flat. And I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way. B flat for no one. Alright. And the same thing all over again. And E flat. And I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. So here comes the not so easy part, because this one line, guess you didn't mean what you wrote in that song about me. It has many chords. That is G minor, E so that is G minor, G, B flat, D, and then F, F, A, C, I, B flat, F, B flat, D, and then D minor, F, A, D, or D minor 7. It's probably, it sounds better with D minor 7, I guess. Okay, let's try. Yeah, let's do that. D minor 7. Yeah, so guess you didn't mean what you wrote in that song about me. G minor, F, B flat, D minor 7, E flat. Okay? G minor, F, B flat, D minor 7, E flat. Okay? And then, cause you said forever, now I drive alone past your street. That is C minor. Cause you said forever. C minor, I said, right? C minor 7 sounds better. So that is G, B flat, and E. It's just like the same as E flat. Yeah. It's the same as E flat. Because you said forever. F, long past, B flat, your street. Right. Chorus. I'm using the pedal, by the way. And E flat. We weren't perfect, but I never felt this way. For B flat. E flat again. I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. Guess you didn't mean what you wrote in that song about me. Cause you said forever, now I drive alone past your street. And the bridge, we have G minor, red lights, stop signs, I still see your face. Okay, G minor, E flat, B flat, F, G minor, E flat, B flat, and F. Okay. G minor, red lights, stop signs, E flat, your face in the B flat, front edge, F, can't drive past the places G minor we used to go to. E flat, love you, B flat, babe. F, same thing, G minor, sidewalks we crossed, E flat, still hear your voice in the B flat, laughing, B F, G minor, E flat, love you, B flat, babe, F, and back to chorus, E flat, I know we weren't perfect, but I never felt this way for no one, B flat, and E flat, I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that B flat, I'm gone. Guess you didn't mean what you wrote in this. Oh, right, sorry. This pedal keeps sliding off. G minor, F. Right. G minor, F. E flat, cause you said forever now. F, I drive alone past your street. Now the ending is, instead of G minor, G, B flat D, I am playing the 7th of the G minor, which is right here. So it's same as the second inversion of the B flat. So like right there, that's the end. E flat forever now, F, alone past your B flat street. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and hope to see you again soon. Bye and take care. Keep practicing and have fun.